Do you want to unlock the secrets of ranking your website at the top of Google? Imagine getting more traffic, more customers, and more success without spending a fortune. Welcome to SEO Cheetah, where we teach you how to master SEO fast and easy. Hi, I'm Muhammad, the expert behind SEO Cheetah. On this channel, you'll learn everything you need to know about SEO, whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer. We'll cover advanced SEO strategies that really work, how to solve the biggest SEO problems, from technical fixes to content optimization, the latest trends and tools you need to stay ahead of the competition, proven methods to rank higher on Google faster than ever before. And the best part? All of these tips are explained in simple, easy steps so you can apply them right away and see results. Our mission at SEO Cheetah is simple: to help businesses and individuals grow online by unlocking the true power of SEO. I believe anyone can rank their website, whether you're building a blog, launching an online store, or growing a service business. With SEO Cheetah, you'll learn to outrun your competition and achieve the success your business deserves. So, if you're ready to take your SEO skills or business to the next level, don't wait. New videos are coming soon. Subscribe to SEO Cheetah now and start boosting your online presence today.